Hello everyone. So this is a 12 marks question for plus 2 admission of a partner. See, before watching this video, to do 12 marks question, that is revaluation account, partners capital account and new balance sheet, first you watch my videos, separate videos I have uploaded, that is revaluation account, partners capital account and new balance sheet. So after knowing those format, so we can work out this question. Jammu and Kashmir are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2001 was as follows. So this is the old balance sheet of Jammu and Kashmir. So Jammu and Kashmir are old partners and their ratios, that is 3:2 old ratio. You know the old ratio will use to share the revaluation account profit or loss, accumulated profit or loss. Next, liabilities. You know the liabilities, creditors, bills payable transferred to a new balance sheet, general reserves, capitals and profit and loss account transferred to partners capital account, that is second step. Capitals, general reserves, partners capital account credit side and profit and loss account, this is loss, transferred to partners capital account debit side and should be shared among the old partners in their old ratio. So it's clear that all the assets and liabilities transferred to new balance sheet except capitals, general reserve, reserve fund, profit and loss account. Next, come to the adjustment part. You know the adjustments compulsory we have to record in two places. On 1/4/2001 they admitted Shamsher. So Shamsher he is a new partner as a partner and offered him 1/5 share in the future profit on the following terms. So these are the terms and conditions. First, Shamsher has to bring 30,000 as capital and 10,000 towards goodwill, and goodwill should be withdrawn by the old partners. So any adjustment regarding capital and goodwill, that we have to pass under partners capital account, that is the second step. And remaining adjustments we have to record under a revaluation account. Next, reduced machinery and furniture at 10% per annum. Reduce means depreciation, decreasing the value of assets. So revaluation account debit side. Next, appreciated building by 11,000. See here is an appreciation, direct amount we have to enter under revaluation account. Appreciated by, that is building value is increasing 11,000. So direct amount, revaluation account, credit side. Next, again in balance sheet 11,000 we have to add along with the building value. Next, maintain RBD at 5% on data. So you know RBD, reserve for bad debts, we have to calculate on debtors account. So revaluation account debit side, and again in new balance sheet RBD amount we have to minus in debtors amount. Next, investment are to be revalued rupees 25,000. See, if you get revalued word, so difference amount should be entered in revaluation account. You know, so this adjustment value, that is 25,000, will be considered as a new value. So adjustment value will be considered as a new value, and balance sheet value will be considered as a old value. So old value of investment is 20,000. So in adjustment 25,000 he has given. So 5,000 is an appreciation. So appreciation we have to record credit side. Next, in balance sheet, investment value will be 25,000. Next, to provide outstanding salary of rupees 1,000. So outstanding means unpaid salary. So maybe outstanding rent, commission, interest, all it is an expenses, revaluation account debit side, and again this adjustment we had to revise in the new balance sheet liability side. So the accounting steps: revaluation account, partners capital account, and cash account I will explain you the next video, and opening balance sheet of the new fund. So dear students, to work out this problem, first you have to watch the revaluation account, partners capital account, and new balance sheet format, and you have to remember the key points. Now I will show you the revaluation account, partners capital account, and the balance sheet on board. So first step, so revaluation account we have to prepare. So revaluation account is also called as profit and loss adjustment account. So here we have to record only adjustments except capital and goodwill brought by the new partner. So in the question, first in the question you will get the balance sheet. So this is balance sheet and adjustment. So additional information. So here under revaluation account, so these adjustments we have to record. These adjustments except capital and goodwill. So debit side we have to record all the expenses and losses, and credit side we have to record incomes and gains. Second adjustment, first adjustment is related to capital and goodwill, that we have to record under partners capital account. Shamsher has to bring 30,000 as capital and 10,000 towards goodwill, and goodwill should be withdrawn by the old partners. Any adjustment regarding capital and goodwill, that we have to record under second step, that is partners capital account. Now remaining adjustment under revaluation account: reduce machinery and furniture at 10% per annum. Reduce means depreciation. So debit side, so machinery account, so machinery value in the balance sheet 40,000 into 10%, 4,000. Next, furniture account 20,000 into 10%, 2,000. So this is depreciation. Next, buildings appreciated by, so appreciated by 11,000, direct amount we have to enter. So it is an appreciation. Buildings account, so 11,000. So if you get revalued and valued what, so that term difference amount should be entered under revaluation account. So building appreciated by he has given, that is direct amount. So 11,000 is an appreciation. Next, maintain RBD at 5% on debtors. So RBD is a loss. So RBD you have to calculate on debtors amount. So debtors amount 20,000. So 5%, 1,000. Next, investment are to be revalued rupees 25,000. So valued, revalued. So that we can consider as the new value. So new value of investment is 25,000, old balance sheet in the question. So investment value is 20,000. So as per the new value, investment is increasing, that is 5,000. So investment account. So new value 25,000. So old value 20,000. So 5,000 is an increasing, that is appreciation. Next, provide for outstanding salary. Outstanding salary means unpaid salary. So it is an expenses to outstanding salary. So outstanding salary 1,000. So these are the adjustments. So you know the revaluation account. So under revaluation account, we are going to record all the adjustments. So these adjustments, one more time we have to repeat in the new balance sheet. So depreciation you have to minus, appreciation you have to add, outstanding expenses it's treated as a liabilities. Now compare the balance, credit side is more 16,000. So in 16,000 you have to minus expenses and losses. 8,000. So this is profit. So this is revaluation account profit. So this profit transfer to partners capital account, and you should be shared only among the old partners. So that is old partners Jammu and Kashmir. So this should be shared in the old ratio. So old ratio he has given sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2, that is 3/5 and 2/5. So 8,000 into 3/5, 4,800, 3,200. So this is about a revaluation account. So while preparing revaluation account, we have to remember under revaluation account, we have to record only increase and decrease in the value of assets and liabilities which is given in the adjustment. Now second step, partners capital account. So this is combined partners capital account. So under partners capital account, first 3 items we have to pass, that is 3 entries first we have to pass. So that entries you will get it in the balance sheet. So that is old balance sheet. So first 3 entries from a balance sheet, that is partners capital, general reserve or reserve fund, profit and loss, and remaining from adjustments. So remaining from adjustment. So from adjustment we have to record new partner capital, goodwill, and goodwill amount withdrawn by the old partner, and revaluation account profit or loss. So these are the entries we have to pass under a partners capital account. So there are 2 partners including new partner Jammu Kashmir. So Shamsher he is a new partner. So under partners capital account, first we have to record their capitals. So balance brought down, so which has given under the old balance sheet in the question. So capital of Jammu and Kashmir is 60,000, 40,000. Next, new partner brought the capital in the form of cash. So that is he has given in the adjustment. Shamsher has to bring 30,000 as capital. 30,000 as a capital. The next, you record accumulated profit or loss. Accumulated profit or loss we have to share among the old partners in the old ratio. So general reserve he has given in the balance sheet. So general reserve we have to share among the old partners in old ratio. Old ratio is 3:2. So general reserve is 25,000 into 3/5, 15,000 and 10,000. 15,000, 10,000. Next, profit and loss. Profit and loss in the question he has given asset side. So that is loss. So here loss we have to record debit side. So profit and loss which is given in the balance sheet, it should be shared in the old ratio. So PL account he has given 5,000, so that is 3,000, 2,000. So first capitals, general reserve fund, profit and loss we have to record under a partner's capital account. Now come to the adjustment part. So in first all the adjustments where we have recorded under a revaluation account. So revaluation account, as per the first step you got profit. So profit we got debit side there. So here revaluation account profit we have to record credit side. So this is revaluation account profit. So this profit you got from the first step. So revaluation account profit 4,800, 3,200. And next goodwill brought by the new partner in the form of cash. So that is as per case 1. In case 1, goodwill, new partner brought the cash, that is goodwill amount in the form of cash, and that goodwill withdrawn by the old partners. So first goodwill amount we have to share in sacrifice ratio. So in the absence of sacrifice ratio, old ratio itself you can treat as a sacrifice ratio. So sacrifice ratio is not there. So old ratio itself you can consider as a sacrifice ratio. So goodwill he has brought 10,000. If you share in 3:2, 6,000, 4,000. So this is case 1. Goodwill brought in the form of cash, that goodwill withdrawn by the old partner. So withdrawn means they are taking cash. So to cash account. So this is goodwill withdrawn. So full amount withdrawn by the old partner, that is 6,000, 4,000. So this amount we have to minus in cash, or we can show this direct adjustment in a new balance sheet. So after passing this interest, now we have to close the partner's capital account here. First you find out the highest amount. So credit side is highest. So 60,000 plus 15,000, 75. 85,800. 57,200, and this is 30,000. 85,800, 57,200 and 30,000. So this is the total. So highest amount you got credit side. So credit balance minus debit balance. In 85,800 you have to minus 9,000. So if you minus 9,000, 76,800, and next 57,200 minus 6,000, 51,200, and this is 30,000. So this is the final balance of a partners. So this will be considered as the capital of a partners. So this transfer to say next step. So that is a transfer to new balance sheet. So this will be the capital of a partners. Now this amount we have to transfer to a balance sheet. 76,800, 51,200, next 30,000. So this is the second step under a admission of a partner. So this partner's capital account, under partner's capital account, first we have to record the 3 items which has given in the balance sheet, that is old partner's capital, general reserve fund, and profit and loss, and remaining from adjustment, that is revaluation account, new partners capital, and goodwill. So this is the third step under admission of a partner. So new balance sheet you have to prepare. So this is will be called as a opening balance sheet of the new firm. So you know, balance sheet prepared with the help of old balance sheet along with the adjustment. So liabilities and assets. So this is horizontal format balance sheet. So this balance sheet, new balance sheet prepared with the help of old balance sheet and along with the adjustment. So So in the question, you will get the first balance sheet and adjustments. So this old balance sheet items, assets and liabilities, same, we have to record it under the new balance sheet along with the adjustment. Depreciation we have to minus, appreciation we have to add. If you get any outstanding expenses, we have to record liability side and prepaid expenses asset side. Now you revise the old balance sheet. So creditors, no adjustment. So 50,000. So creditors no adjustment. Next bills payable also no adjustment, 25,000. General reserves already we have taken under partners capital account, and capitals as per second step partners capital account, that balance we have to transfer here. So Jammu, Kashmir and Shamsher. So as per the second step, the balance how much you got? 76,800, 51,200 and 30,000. So this is as per a third step. So under partners capital account, so this capital you got the final answer 76,800, 51,200 and 30,000. Now come to the asset side. So asset side, cash. So cash 20,000, write it in the inner column. Suppose if you are not preparing a separate cash account, so that adjustments under cash we can show here only. So this cash is belongs to the old partner, that is 20,000 as per the old balance sheet. So new partners capital. So new partner capital. So he has brought 30,000 in the form of cash and goodwill. So goodwill he has brought 10,000. So total 60,000. So in that goodwill amount withdrawn by the old partner. So here you can minus goodwill withdrawn by the old partner. So full amount they have withdrawn. Now the 50,000. So outer column. So this is total cash. Now stock. So stock no adjustment, 25,000. Next debtors you got adjustment. So debtors 20,000. In that RBD you have to minus, less RBD 1,000. 19,000. So always we have to remember under debtors RBD provisions we have to deduct. So 20,000 minus 1,000, 19,000. Next furniture. Furniture you got adjustment. So depreciation. Furniture 20,000 less depreciation 2,000, 18,000. Next buildings, machinery. So machinery also you got adjustment 40,000 less depreciation. So depreciation is 4,000, 36,000. Next buildings you got appreciation. So buildings. So buildings you got appreciation. So appreciation should be added. So 50,000. So in the balance sheet 50,000 and adjustment 11,000. So 50,000 plus 11,000, 61,000. Next investment revalued. So revalued. So investment revalued is 25,000. So as per the adjustment, this investment is revalued to 25,000.
So like this, after revising old balance sheet along with the adjustment, once again you check the adjustment. See, we have taken all the adjustments except the salary. So that is outstanding salary. What partners has to pay, that is a liability. So unpaid outstanding salary is a liability. So outstanding salary is 1,000. Oh, so after taking all the adjustments, as per the key points, as per the rules, under a new balance sheet, you have to revise adjustments compulsory. So total, if you make it total, so both the side 2,34,000. So this is the answer. So to prepare all the accounting step of admission of a partner, first of all, you go through with the videos, that is how to prepare a revaluation account, partners capital account and a new balance sheet. Once if you know all the formats with the key points, so we can prepare easily revaluation account, partners capital account and a new balance sheet.